Good morning, children. Our next session is latitudes. What are latitudes? The latitudes are the horizontal imaginary lines that goes around the earth exactly in the middle at equal distances from the north and south poles is called the equator. The equator is the imaginary line which is drawn exactly middle of the earth. That line will divide the earth into two equal parts, that is north and south poles. Because it divides the earth into two equal parts, this is the circle designated as 0 degree latitude. The latitudes are total 160 number. Among that 160, the base is 0 degree latitude. So exactly it is middle of the earth, divides earth into two equal parts. Following the way angles are designated in geometry, latitudes are expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. Degrees, 20 degrees temperature, we will say a small circle by drawing 20 degrees like that. And minutes, 20 minutes like this, and 30 seconds like this. We will mention with two double apostrophe seconds and single apostrophe is minutes, and a small 0 it represents as degree. In many atlases you will not find the minutes and seconds. If you observe atlas, the book atlas means the book of maps. So if you observe, they won't mention mostly about this minutes and seconds, they will mention only degrees. Look at the figure 1.5. This will show in next page to understand it. From the equator going towards the poles are a series of parallel circles. So like this, Earth, it is equator. Like equator, there are other parallel lines also there like this, which represent the other parallel circles. This each circle is called a latitude. Each circle, and this is equator, and this is one circle. This is one circle. This is one circle, and this is one circle. So these are the circles, horizontal circles on the globe. It is called as latitude. Latitude comes to us from the Latin word latitudo. Latitudo. The word latitude means in Latin word, Latin language, the meaning is latitudo. Latitudo meaning is width. Width, to measure the width of things, to measure the width of the distance between latitudes. Here in social meaning it will come. These lines show us the width of the map. Latitude values range from 0 degree to 90 degrees north. The value from it is 0 degree latitude. From 0 degree to it is 90 degree latitude. Here this is 90 degree latitude. So the width from between each latitude we can calculate. And 90 degrees south, 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south, and south side also from equator from 0 degree to here some latitudes are there. This is Tropic of Capricorn, and this is southern pole, south pole, and this is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn, and this is south pole, and this is north pole. So from northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, from equator to towards northern hemisphere we will count, and towards the southern hemisphere we will count. There is no latitude less than 0 degree nor greater than 90 degrees. So not less than 0 degree there is no latitude, and not greater than 90 degrees there is no latitude. Every latitude must be designated with the direction north for north. So every latitude designated. Equator, from equator northern side we will say northern latitudes. These are all northern latitudes, and below this equator we will show all southern latitudes. So this is southern hemisphere and this is northern hemisphere. Like this will divide. For the equator there is no north or south designation. For the equator there is no directions, there is no north and southern designations, but towards northern side and towards southern side we can calculate the latitudes. Some latitudes are given special names. Yes, some latitudes are there, they have special names. These are related to the patterns of sunlight falling on earth. These patterns, how the sunlight fall on each particular latitude, we can understand that. These are related to the patterns of sunlight falling on earth that you would have studied when you learned about the seasons and earth. Seasons and earth revolution around the sun in 6th and 7th classes. Equator is the largest among the latitudes. This is largest latitude among all latitudes. which is going through middle of the earth. All other latitudes on either side gradually become smaller towards poles. So this is the biggest latitude. Next, this Tropic of Cancer is smaller than this equator, and this Arctic Circle is smaller than this Tropic of Cancer, and this North Pole is very smaller than this Tropic of Cancer. So like this, here south side also it is Tropic of Capricorn is smaller than equator, and Tropic of Antarctic Circle. This Antarctic Circle is smaller than Tropic of Capricorn, and this is South Pole, very smaller than this Tropic of Antarctic Circle. So like this, even only equator is the biggest line, and other latitudes are smaller than latitude. All other latitudes on either side gradually become smaller towards the poles. While you are going towards North Pole and South Pole, the length of latitudes will decrease. At the poles, the 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south. 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south means here 90 degrees north and this is 90 degrees south are not circles at all. These are not the circles and they are just points. These are the north point and this is south point. Like this we can say. The top of the earth between equator and the north pole is called northern hemisphere. Top of the earth equator is called northern hemisphere. From the equator, north side it is called as northern hemisphere, south side it is called as southern hemisphere. Hemi means of. Hemi means of. Hemisphere means of a sphere. Hemi. So this is one hemi, and this is one hemi of. Sphere means area, and this also area. This is northern hemisphere, northern area, and this is southern area. The half that is between the equator and the south pole is called southern hemisphere. From south, this is called southern hemisphere, this is northern hemisphere. Counting from one pole to the other, there are 180 main latitudes. So from equator to south we have 90 latitudes, 90 latitudes, and from equator to north we have 90 latitudes. So totally it is 180 latitudes we have here. From equator to south, here 90 latitudes are there, and here 90 latitudes are there. Total 180 latitudes we have on the globe. They are all imaginary lines. So here see the hemispheres. Here the earth is there, middle is the equator, and this is northern hemisphere, and this is southern hemisphere. Like this is eastern hemisphere, this is western hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere, this is northern hemisphere, and this is eastern hemisphere, and this is western hemisphere. So like this, the globe is divided into different spheres of spheres means of areas.